Northeast region of India is one of the finest regions, but it has certain degree of tensions. Let's see what is the opinion of a defense aspirant on these tensions on Northeast India. You can also share your viewpoint in the comments. Here we go.
Friends, Northeast region of India is known for its breathtaking beauty, cultural diversity, and for its rich history. But friends, at the same time, this region has also faced many challenges and tensions over the years. Good evening to everyone. The topic of my today's lecture is tensions in Northeast India and its solution. Friends, Northeast India consists of 7 states. They are also known as the Seven Sisters. These states are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland, and Tripura. Friends, this region becomes very important because of its strategic location, as this region is covered with countries like China, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. Friends, over 200 tribes of different ethnic groups are living in this area. Therefore, this area is also known for its cultural diversity. Friends, now talking about some of the issues that are happening in this area. First one is the ethnic tension. The prime example of ethnic tension is the incident between Kukris and Meiteis in the Manipur. In this tension, almost more than 250 peoples have been killed. Friends, illegal migration has also played a crucial role here. It can be understood by the fact that many peoples illegally migrated from the Bangladesh and Myanmar to India, which certainly affect the resources of India. This is due to our lack of border security. Friends, the low connectivity with the mainstream India is another aspect, as this area is not connected well with the mainstream India. Therefore, this region has faced the problems like unemployment and lack of industries. Now, gentlemen, talking about these solutions, one of the biggest thing that government can do that they can conduct a meeting and sit together the different peoples of different ethnic groups to solve the issues between there. At the same time, the government need to build or connect this region with the mainstream India, so that the people over there can get all these services, and from this they will get employment, as well as it will help them to build their economy. Gentlemen, education can play a crucial part here, as people will be educated. It will develop their skills and knowledge, and it will help them in future. Now, gentlemen, at last I want to conclude by saying that government need to treat the northeast region of India equally to the mainstream India, so that it can grow and develop same as the other part of India. Thank you.